Hi, Fishbowl fans. This one's for you. I'm going to set up a unit of measure conversion from a case of 12 to a single can. So I'm going to come into unit of measure, set up unit of measure, and I'm going to go new. And my unit of measure is going to measure count. Next. The name for this unit of measure is going to be case of 12. Then my abbreviation, I kind of like to put my math in with the abbreviation so I kind of know what I've got going. And then I can add an auxiliary description here. I'm going to hit finish. And now I am going to set up a conversion from my case of 12 to a single unit or each if you're not a manufacturer. So we're going to measure count. Okay, and the name for this, whoops, I'm not setting up, I'm setting up a new unit of measure. I want to set up the conversion, silly me. I'm going to convert a case of 12 to a unit, just because for those of you who have read The Evils of Each, you know how I feel about each in a fishbowl file. And a case of 12 is greater than 1 unit, true. And then one case is 12 units. Next. Finish. Voila! We are done. Thank you very much for viewing this video. And we at Terabyte Solutions are a full service fishbowl support firm. So we would like to help you with your fishbowl issues. Give us a ring at 949-645-1019 and we will be happy to help. Thank you very much. Bye.